Namaskar. At the outset, let me thank HEPC for providing platform for virtual buyer-sellers meet for promotion of hand-woven and home textile products from India. I would also like to thank MS Guzman Consultancy for facilitating meetings between exporters and prospective buyers in Canada. With 23 top-notch exhibitors across India showcasing a wide range of home textile products, this is a wonderful opportunity for buyers from this part of the world to see the quality products that India has to offer. What sets India apart from other sourcing countries in home textiles is the availability of abundant supreme quality raw materials, relatively cheap labor, and above all, highly skilled artisans who constantly provide latest and innovative design patterns in almost every product in home textile. Carpet manufactured in India are mostly hand-woven and are of natural fibers, which have long durability, are easy to wash, and require little to no maintenance. The bed linen, towels, and hand napkins are one of the cheapest in the world and of very good quality. All these factors make the Indian home textiles the most desirable products. Canadian home textile market is highly sophisticated. Canadian consumers spend reasonable amount of time and effort to design their home. Canada has over 4,000 home decor stores located across the country, which mostly sell imported home textile products. In addition, such products are also sold by specialty boutiques. E-commerce has also gained prominence with more and more Canadian consumers shopping online, also as an aftermath of COVID-19. India is the fourth most important source market for Canada with 7.41% market share in commodity textiles such as bed linens, towels, curtains, and textiles. It is clear that demand for home textile is increasing and there is a huge opportunity for Indian companies to expand exports to Canada. My advice to the Indian exporters is to strictly adhere to Canada's regulation for labeling, health and safety. Quality assurance and timely delivery of services is also extremely important. Given the large size of Canada, the majority of home decor imports are generally processed through an agent or distributor. I think if the exporters keep these things in mind, Canada can be a very significant market for India's home textile export. I'm sure that the platform that HEPC has provided today will stimulate numerous business opportunities for both exporters and buyers, which will go a long way in scaling up the trade ties between the two countries. I wish everyone participating in this sourcing fair a great success and hope that all of you will be able to strike mutually beneficial business deals. Thank you.